I haven't posted anything in 5 months. Eating a pizza with braces is no joke.
Wow!
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Simran and this is my YouTube channel of sort. Not of sort, we're very close to 500 subscribers now. I've been MIA from last 5 months, which is too much. First of all, before asking you to subscribe to my channel, I would like to genuinely apologize. I've been active on Instagram, yet that does not justify how I have been inactive here. But today's video is very different. It's not the usual makeup gig or me traveling. So I have realized I'm not going to be sticking to one particular niche. Although I am a makeup and a skincare enthusiast, so most of my videos are going to be related to that. But I'm not going to be limiting myself just to that. Okay, this is like the best part. My Instagram name is Sim Snacking, like Sim Snacks In. Like I'm snacky all the time, and I am a snack also. I have a main course to be discussed. But I've come back with a very exciting video. As the title of this video suggests, we're reviewing pizzas of similar kind from 3 different pizza places. One is going to be Pizza Hut. I don't remember when was the last time I ate from Pizza Hut. Second is going to be Domino's. Domino's reminds me of those school time memories when we used to, bunk school and go to eat. Cheese burst was new back then, and the other one's gonna be from, why did I do the drum roll? From Chicago Pizza. It's been hyped up in other metro cities, but in Ahmedabad it's a newly launched pizza outlet, and they just have one outlet if I'm not wrong. So they don't deliver in my area, so I had to travel all the way from my place to my sister's place, which is like 17 kilometers, because they have the outlet nearby. I've been seeing so many YouTube videos and reels on Instagram how people are enjoying the Chicago style pizza in their cities. I wanted to try that too. So we'll be reviewing pizzas not just based on their taste. Obviously taste is the most important, but everything, the packaging, the generosity on toppings, the time they take to deliver, and what else, value for money. Like, that is, how can I forget that? Value for money should be the first. I'm placing my order, it should be worth my money. So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So I've received the delivery from Chicago Pizza and Domino's Pizza. There is no sign from Pizza Hut up until now, even though it was the first place where I ordered from. While we're waiting for Pizza Hut to be delivered, we'll review the packaging of these two brands. So if I see Domino's, it is open from the sides and it's raining outside. Though the packaging is sturdy, but Chicago Pizza is perfectly packed and Domino's is open from the sides. Although it's secured with the stickers, which is a good thing. But in my opinion, Chicago Pizza receives a point for packing it perfectly. Update. Pizzas from Domino's Pizza and Chicago Pizza have been delivered. But Pizza Hut, the first pizza that I ordered, is yet to be delivered. Delivery agent खो चुका है, वो मेरा फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा. I have contacted Swiggy. They replaced my order and new delivery agent has been assigned to deliver the order. I'm so hungry I did not even eat breakfast because I was going to review the pizzas, and who's going to eat 3 personal size pizzas alone? So I had to build up the appetite. अब मेरा पिज़्ज़ा ही खो गया है. I don't know where the pizza is. Delivery agent का phone switched off है. It's raining outside, and they have replaced my order, which is a good thing. But still I have to wait, and by the time third pizza comes, ये दोनों ठंडा हो जाएगा. I was super excited, but something or the other has to happen. It is what it is. Team, it is what it is. Oh, actually, we can have a group and team and gang, call it is what it is. जो होगा देख लिया जाएगा. These two pizzas look absolutely delicious. delicious. Now I know why Indians used to eat from Pizza Hut. Like if you're going there and you're eating, it's good, but if you're ordering, it takes forever to be delivered. So finally, Pizza Hut's also here, and we can now compare all three pizzas. And packaging of Pizza Hut is not that sturdy, so Chicago Pizza remains the winner. And if we see, Chicago Pizza is the only brand that has put a pizza holder to secure the pizza, which is a smart move. And if we look up closely to the pizza that I ordered from Pizza Hut, cheese side se nikal chuka hai. It seems to be a little burnt or overcooked, and I don't see toppings in Domino's that much. Although Pizza Hut and Chicago Pizza is very colorful, whereas on the other hand, Domino's looks dull and boring to me. I have ordered double paneer supreme from Pizza Hut, spicy affair from Chicago Pizza, and peppy paneer from Domino's. First, we are taking a slice from Pizza Hut. इनका स्लाइस तोड़ने में हमेशा मुश्किल. Pizza is not properly sliced. Pulling it apart from one hand seems next to impossible. Here comes my other hand to rescue. This is their double paneer supreme pizza. दिखने में it looks good. Cheese is burnt, but let's just taste it. I don't know. Like, first of all, I don't see the cheese here. The toppings में ये लोग बहुत generous हैं. It's a little salty. I don't taste the pizza sauce at all. जबकि अभी डलिवर हुआ है तो भी it's all dry. All I can taste is toppings. It doesn't give extra oregano or chili flakes with the order, which is like a red alert for me. But crust of this pizza is nice, pretty thin, the way it should be, which is a good part. So now I'm tasting a slice from Spicy Affair from Chicago Pizza. This pizza is perfectly sliced and I can easily pull it apart. Toppings एकदम perfect amount में, and while we're talking about toppings, this is the only pizza that had olives in it, while the other two pizzas did not. It's the most colorful pizza in तीनों में से. Toppings are generous. Although ठंडा हो चुका है, but I can still see it is cheesy. Crust is of perfect amount. मोटा भी नहीं है. You can still taste the cheese despite of it being cold. And pizza sauce that is spread is amazing. Pizza Hut ka paneer was extremely dry. This is in moderate amount, perfectly cooked. Olives are just enhancing the color of this pizza, to be honest. Not Domino's में olives है, and ना ही Pizza Hut में olives है. Perfect. It's just perfect. Best part about this pizza is it's just for 215 rupees. इसका MRP was 300 something, but Swiggy का ऑफर लगा के I got it for 215. 200 or 215 something. Pizza Hut का pizza was 430, and Domino's का pizza I got it for 238. उसका MRP was 315, but ऑफर लगा के it from Zomato got it for 238. Value for money. Absolute value for money. For some reason, I always feel Domino's ka pizza is perfectly sliced, and pulling it apart is easy and convenient. This is loaded with cheese, but this is Domino's crust. बहुत मोटा है. Toppings are a little less in this, like this loaded with cheese, but where is the paneer in the slice? Like just where I ordered a paneer pizza, so paneer should be at least in all the slices. Cheese is there, capsicum is there, paprika is there, but where is my paneer? Let's see how it is. Domino's is super cheesy. I'll give him that. Pizza sauce is in perfect amount. It's not salty. But first, if it's a paneer pizza, topping is less and thoda sa kacha hai. I think it's undercooked. But cheesy. Super cheesy. Domino's also justifies the value for money. 230 rupees and I got a regular size pizza. Cheese in excess amounts. Topping, vegetables are fine. Paneer was very less. They do provide oregano and chili flakes. The outlet that I've seen to not be providing chili flakes and oregano is pizza. मैंने तो तीनों पिज़्ज़ा खा लिए हैं. तीनों ही अच्छे थे. They were fulfilling and no pizza is a bad pizza. Is it though? But if I have to pick one, the one that was best according to me, it's really hard to choose one. Like, it's a very close call, okay? Like, they're equally good, but if you have to keep everything in mind, like packaging, value for its money, taste, toppings, how pizza sauce is, I think, like, okay, it is a very close call. Like, whatever is my taste may not be your taste, but if I have to pick one from the three and keeping everything in mind, so Pizza Hut would be the last in running, only because it was $4.30 for the regular size pizza. Then it's a very close call, okay? I'm not saying Pizza Hut is a bad pizza, but I'll probably think about it before ordering pizza from there. I might go and eat there, but I'm not gonna be ordering from there. Then second would be Domino's. It was $2.38 or $2.36 for a regular sized pizza. The Domino's paneer pizza was, this particular paneer pizza I'm talking about, which I tasted today, was better than Pizza Hut. So we have a winner. Chicago pizza, I totally get the hype. Budget friendly, it's just 200 bucks. Like, colorful toppings were generous. Cheese was good. Crust was good. Sauce was good. Not too salty, not too tangy. Perfectly cooked paneer. Perfect amount of toppings. It's not just like tum sabzi kha rahe ho bread pe paros ke. So for me, I would prefer Chicago pizza. Now we have come to the end of this video. If you watched this video up until now, thank you so much, and it would really mean the world to me if you could give a big fat thumbs up to this video and let me know in the comment section what kind of videos would you like to watch next. And also, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Till then, stay beautiful.